Hi everyone, myself ARINDAM and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today we'll be discussing on the topic of maintenance under the Hindu law. So maintenance is basically the support that a husband financially needs to pay to his wife when she is unable to sustain herself financially on her own during the divorce proceeding as well as the post-divorce. Maintenance is paid by the husband either on a monthly basis or on a lump sum so that the wife can avail of basic amenities of life. The concept of maintenance aims at putting the wife back to the position that she was at the time when the marriage existed. The family court decides the way and the amount of maintenance to be given. The Hindu Adoption and the Maintenance Act lays down the provisions relating to maintenance to be given. The Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act lays down the provisions. Under this act, the wife, the daughter-in-law, elderly parents, children, and other dependents have a right to claim maintenance. In the case of divorce, the wife has a right to claim maintenance from her husband when she is unable to maintain herself financially. The fact whether the wife is working and earns some income or not does not affect her right to claim maintenance from her husband. Under the Hindu law, or however the maintenance amount the husband is required to pay from her wife depends upon the income earned by the wife. The income and property of the husband, his personal expenses and the expenses borne by him from his dependents. Under the Hindu maintenance law, there are two types of maintenance that can be claimed by the wife. While the wife files a maintenance petition through a divorce attorney, the burden of the declare his income shifts to the husband, who has the right to defend the maintenance petition. The wife of maintenance, or the types of maintenance under Hindu law, are as follows. The first one is interim, the second one is permanent. So interim maintenance and permanent maintenance. So what is interim maintenance? When the wife files a maintenance petition, the court may order interim maintenance that the husband must pay from the date on which the application was filed by the wife till the date of dismissal through a divorce lawyer. It is also known as the maintenance pendent delight is paid so that the wife can pay for her legal expenses incurred by her. Interim maintenance is awarded by the court if the wife has absolutely no source of income to maintain herself. Permanent maintenance. Permanent maintenance is paid by the husband to the wife in case of the divorce, and the amount is determined through a maintenance petition filed through a divorce lawyer in India. Section 25 of the Act states that the court can order the husband to pay maintenance to his wife in form of a lump sum or a monthly amount for a lifetime. However, the wife may not be eligible for maintenance if there are any charges in her circumstances. Under Section 18 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, a wife has a right to live separately from her husband without affecting her right to claim maintenance. Under this law, a wife can live separately from her husband in the following cases. The husband has deserted the wife without any reasonable cause. The husband has subjected the wife to cruelty. The husband is extramarital affairs. The husband is converted to another religion, and many more. Now, let's come to the calculation part of the maintenance under Hindu law. The amount of maintenance to be paid depends upon different factors. The court relies on the provision of Section 23 of the Act while assigning the total maintenance the husband needs to pay to his wife. The provision lays down the following facts that must be considered to fix the maintenance amount. The position and the status of the husband and wife, whether the wife has an actual claim for maintenance, if the wife is living separately, whether the reason to do so is justified, the wife's total property and income, the husband's total property and income generated from the property and his other incomes, the total number of dependents and the expenses borne by the husband, the personal expenses of the husband. So now the final topic, how to claim maintenance under Hindu law. A wife is required to file a maintenance petition in a family court which has appropriate jurisdiction to deal with the matter. The maintenance petition must be filed with the assistance of a good divorce advocate in India and must contain all the requisite facts and remedies sought from the court. The maintenance petition is filed with some necessary documents like an affidavit, document relating to income of both husband and wife, etc. Now, the wife is not entitled to claim maintenance in certain circumstances. Circumstances like if the wife has converted herself to another religion, she is married after divorce. So these are the the particular circumstances where the wife is entitled not to claim maintenance. So she is not entitled to claim maintenance. However, in every circumstances, the husband needs to pay his wife a particular maintenance. In the case when, let's say, the wife has an income or has a source of income, then the court decides that what is the amount of maintenance that the husband needs to pay to the wife, but there is a particular amount that the husband will have to pay to his wife. So this is all about maintenance. I hope you like the video. Please do like.